Welcome back to the Auto Master, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels. From the latest car reviews to in-depth analyses of performance, technology, and design, we bring you automotive content that drives passion and knowledge. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 BMW M2 CS, a car that takes everything enthusiasts loved about the standard M2 and pushes it to a whole new level of performance and exclusivity. The 2026 BMW M2 CS has finally arrived, and it is nothing short of a powerhouse in a compact coupe body. Building on the already impressive M2, the CS version is designed for track day warriors who demand sharper handling, more aggressive styling, and higher performance. At its core is a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, producing an estimated 518 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. This represents a notable boost over the standard M2 and brings it closer to the league of the M3 and M4, especially considering the CS's lightweight enhancements. BMW has equipped the M2 CS with a series of performance upgrades that elevate it from a quick road car to a focused track machine. The chassis benefits from adaptive M suspension, revised dampers, and stiffer bushings, all calibrated for precise handling. The standard 6-speed manual gearbox remains an option for purists, while an 8-speed automatic transmission offers lightning-fast shifts for those seeking convenience without compromising performance. The exterior design of the 2026 M2 CS showcases a more aggressive look with aerodynamic enhancements that serve both form and function. The carbon fiber hood, roof, front splitter, rear diffuser, and trunk spoiler not only reduce weight, but also contribute to downforce and cooling. Wider front and rear fenders accommodate staggered 19-inch and 20-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, providing superior grip on any surface. The CS exclusive paint options and unique badging subtly distinguish this model from the regular M2. Inside the cabin, the M2 CS blends sportiness with premium materials. Alcantara and carbon fiber are used extensively throughout the interior, particularly on the dashboard, door panels, and center console. Lightweight M carbon bucket seats come standard, offering outstanding support during spirited driving while reducing weight. The digital instrument cluster and central touchscreen run the latest version of BMW's iDrive system, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an array of real-time driving performance data. Driving the 2026 M2 CS is an experience that blurs the lines between road car and race car. The throttle response is immediate, and the chassis balance is near perfect. BMW has fine-tuned the stability control system and traction settings, allowing experienced drivers to explore the car's full capabilities without electronic interference unless needed. The brakes, upgraded with carbon ceramic options, provide confident and consistent stopping power even under intense use on a racetrack. This special edition M2 CS will be produced in limited numbers, making it a collector's item as well as a driving machine. While pricing will be higher than the standard M2, the added performance, exclusivity, and track-ready features justify the premium for those who truly appreciate the driving experience. Whether you're an M fan or just a car enthusiast looking for one of the best performance coupes of the modern era, the 2026 M2 CS is a machine worth your attention. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the new 2026 BMW M2 CS. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest car releases, performance tests, and automotive insights, don't forget to subscribe to AutoMaster. Your support helps us bring you the best in the world of cars.